Let me show you something. Both of these prompts ask for the same thing, kind of, but the results you get are completely different. This is a common situation when using AI agents like ChatGPT for SEO research. They're incredibly fast at analyzing keywords, backlinks, and trends, but the quality of the output heavily depends on how you talk to them. In this video, I'll show you how to write clearer, more effective prompts that let ChatGPT know exactly how to analyze your SEO data and deliver better insights. We'll focus on practical rules you can reuse every day. So hit like, subscribe, and let's start. DataForSEO MCP Server. Quick heads up, of course ChatGPT on its own doesn't have live SEO data, and that's where the DataForSEO MCP Server comes in. It powers AI tools with real keyword metrics, rankings, and more via API. If you haven't connected the DataForSEO MCP Server yet, this part will make a lot more sense after the previous video, where I walk you through the full MCP setup step by step. Once that's done, jump back here and keep going. The core prompt structure. Almost every strong SEO prompt follows the same basic structure. You don't need complex prompt engineering, you just need clarity. Basically, a good prompt answers 4 things: who ChatGPT is, what it needs to do, what data and time range it should focus on, and how the output should look. Let's break each one down. Rule number 1, always assign ChatGPT a clear role and specific objective. Don't just say analyze backlinks or do keyword research. Instead, start with telling the model who it is, what task it's performing. For example, you are an SEO strategist analyzing competitor backlinks. When describing the objective, define if you want the model to prioritize, sort, or highlight key insights. This instantly improves the usefulness of the response. Next, timeframes. When working with trends or rankings, timeframes are critical. So, if you need to focus on recent changes or seasonal trends, always specify a date range you're interested in, like as of today with your date, or past 12 months. 3. Define the output format clearly. This step is simple, but very important. If you don't define the output format, ChatGPT will guess, and guessing usually leads to messy results, or at least not what you expected. To avoid that, just tell it exactly how to present the data: a table, a ranked list, bullet points, or a short summary. For example, return the result as a table with columns: keyword, intent, search volume, CPC, keyword difficulty. Now your output is easier to skim and instantly ready for reports, spreadsheets, or client decks. 4. Use one API response to its full potential. DataForSEO endpoints return a lot of data in a single response. Once you've already pulled the data set you need to work with, one of the biggest mistakes would be asking ChatGPT to refetch the data you already have. Instead, your prompt should remind ChatGPT to focus on what it does best: summarizing, filtering, ranking, comparing, and interpreting patterns. 5. One-time setup that saves time. Finally, I recommend adding custom instructions to your SEO GPT for the most efficient use. In your GPT settings, find the instructions field and paste in the custom instructions from our article link below. Of course, you can tweak them to fit your workflow. But once you set them, ChatGPT will already know most of the best practices we discussed here, so you don't have to repeat them every time you write a prompt. Wrap up. Reuse what works. Alright, now you know how to create SEO prompts strategically and how much faster your SEO work becomes when you combine DataForSEO MCP with ChatGPT. Last piece of advice: reuse prompt templates that work for you. This saves time, reduces retries, and helps you stay consistent across projects. And if you don't want to build prompts from scratch, we've already done that part for you. In our Help Center, you'll find copy-paste prompt templates for keyword research, backlink analysis, technical SEO, SERP analytics and visibility monitoring, domain intelligence, local businesses and leads discovery. Just pick what you need, plug in your domain or keyword, and start testing. Hope this video helped you. Hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.